Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you like this video, I encourage you to like and subscribe. So today I figured I would talk to you guys about the most beginner topic in photography, and that is holding your camera the right way. I think often the first mistake people make is they just don't hold their camera right to begin with. And for me, that's the first thing that I notice when people are out taking photos. If they're holding their camera the wrong way, they're easily spotted, and immediately I can tell that they're an amateur. So I'm going to teach you how to hold your camera the professional way. So the way that I see people holding their cameras often is by the top. So they'll hold their camera like this, right? Which is right. The right hand's not the hard part. But then they grab the top of their camera like this and shoot like that. That's not really going to help you steady the camera. So the real way you should do it is to grab it by the bottom. And basically what this does is you're not fighting gravity, you're letting gravity settle the camera and the lens and the weight of it all into your hand. You're not pulling up and kind of like fighting everything. You're just letting it sit, and you're kind of balancing it. And that keeps it super steady. Now, what you want to do is you almost have to picture your camera like it's a rifle or something. You need to actually like take it into your arm like this and couch it. Bring this arm in to your side and keep it to your side, and then bend your elbow and get it as close to your body as you can. The further you move away from your body, the more shaky you're going to be. So you want to keep it close to your body and just bring it up and take the photo. Now, sometimes I will get crazy at a concert or something that I'm shooting where I'll take out the little flip screen and try to get a few from up top and, get into the crowd like that. Those shots are kind of Hail Marys, and they're not always going to work out. I've gotten some good shots that way, but at the end of the day, I'm still holding my camera by the bottom. And that's what really makes the difference. And from there, you can do the zoom and the focus fine. I think a lot of people just get so used to doing it from this way, but it's really meant to do this. I mean, the numbers are on top for a reason. And you want to see, especially if you have a zoom lens, you want to see where your focal length is at. And if you're covering that, you can't see that, oh, I'm at 50 millimeters. So it's super useful to use that method. And I think just as I'm starting all of these photography lessons, that's the most basic I can teach you guys. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I know it was really simple, and some people might not need that advice, but I think it could be helpful to somebody starting out. I'll be making more of these beginner photography lesson videos, so if you found this interesting, please subscribe and click that bell to get the notifications. Thanks.